The terrestrial nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen makes up 78% of the atmosphere and is a key building block for biomolecules that make up living organisms, making it essential for life. In the atmosphere, nitrogen exists as dinitrogen gas. This form of nitrogen cannot be directly used by plants and animals. Before plants can use the nitrogen, it needs to be converted to ammonia and ammonium by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These bacteria are found in humus and in the root nodules of leguminous plants, such as beans and clover. Lightning also causes nitrogen fixation. This is how usable forms of nitrogen are added to the soil for non-leguminous plants to use. Animals can consume plants to acquire nitrogen for themselves. When plants and animals die, or animals release excrement, nitrogenous compounds are released back into the environment. Then, decomposing and nitrifying bacteria convert these compounds into ammonia in a process called ammonification. Other bacteria then convert the ammonia into nitrites and nitrates. Denitrifying prokaryotes can convert nitrates back to dinitrogen gas, which then joins its fellow molecules in the atmosphere. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It would help me make more videos. And make sure to comment with any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Also, it would be really nice if you could support me on Patreon. Thank you.